Remember those $1,200, $1,400 checks that we got from the government per adult, per household back in 2020 and 2021? Well, just when we thought that government assistance from the pandemic was over, in this video, I'm gonna be going over a way you can get additional free money from the government in the form of a check. Before we get into it, if you're a business owner that has W-2 employees and you're interested in learning more about this, or if you want to see if you qualify, I've left a 15-minute link, 15-minute consultation that you could schedule completely on your time, and we could discuss it further. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Basically, what we're talking about here is another program under the CARES Act called the Employee Retention Credit. This one is performance-based, and unlike the PPP loan, it's not a loan. It's given to you as a form of a grant, and it's basically, with Employee Retention Credit, you get up to $26,000 per W-2 employee. So if you're someone that has 10 or more employees, you're basically looking at, you could easily be looking at somewhere like 5 to 6 to 7 figures as a tax credit, you know. I'm not kidding. I mean, it's literally free money, and it's something that you could do right now. Does it sound too good to be true? I mean, when I heard this, I was shocked. Like, I was like, what, $26,000? Not only is it great that you're getting it as a grant and you don't have to pay it back, but just imagine the possibilities that you could do with that extra cash flow if you're a business owner. You can invest in things like marketing, hiring additional employees, getting a second location. You could pay off debt, purchase equipment, inventory, materials, things like that. You know, the possibilities are endless. And you know, I'm sure some of you are gonna be like, oh, if it's money from the government, I don't want that. I don't want to hand out, you know. But well, you should want it, because it's taxpayer dollars. Your taxpayer dollars are funding this, and if you don't get it, somebody else will. So, and it's only a matter of time before this program completely goes away. You know, then it's gone forever. So if you're interested in this, listen up. I'm gonna go over how you can qualify for this. So there's basically 2 ways. The first one is that you had to have a decrease in revenue in 2020 and 2021. If you had that, great. I'm sure a lot of people did. But if you didn't, then you still have an option. And if your accountant has told you that you don't qualify, then you could go ahead and schedule that 15-minute call with an Employee Retention Credit Specialist. The second way that you could get it, it's basically for those that had their business shut down, either partially or completely. If you had a change in business hours, shutdowns of your supply chain or vendors, if you were unable to visit a client's job site, if you had to socially distance employees or customers, if you had any changes in job roles, or if you had a reduction in workforce. This is just a couple of them. There's so many more, and this could be expanded to any disruption that you had. If you had any disruption in your business, you pretty much qualify. So that's why if you talk to somebody that says that you don't qualify, you can actually talk to someone that specializes in this, because this is a new program and the rules are constantly changing. I've been helping business owners for a while now, for years. I've never seen an opportunity like this one. With no restrictions to the amount of employees that you can have. The more, the better. But you know, the PPP was 2.5 times your monthly payroll amount. This is just a flat amount that you get per employee. But also, if you're a lender or somebody that's experienced working with business owners that have W-2 employees, this might be a program that you can start offering to them in addition to whatever products that you already have. But if you have any questions, you can send me an email, davron@funderhunt.co, davron@funderhunt.co. That's always been my email. We talked about so much in this video, but I don't want to drag this out on here. It's pretty simple, but if you're interested in getting ERC, employee retention credit, or if you want to start introducing employee retention credit to your clients, go ahead and reach out to me. I can get you set up pretty fast. But until next time, guys, more videos about merchant cash advance coming soon. And if you are, I've had someone tell me recently that they show all of their new sales reps my videos on merchant cash advance, but I actually have a whole playlist on videos that you could watch if you're new to merchant cash advance. So you can check that out right here. And until next time, guys, peace.